Hi guys, today we will read the essay A Cricket Match.
Last Sunday, there was a cricket match between the Lions Club and the Tigers Club.
We reached the stadium in time. We got seats with great difficulty. Policemen were standing at proper distance. The Chief Minister was also coming to watch the match. Many hawkers and vendors were trying to sell their things. At exact 9 a.m., the match started. The Lions Club took a brilliant start after winning the toss. Its openers laid a solid foundation of 112 before being parted. Sunil was in the top form and hammered the Tigers' bowlers. He scored a dashing 85 in only 86 deliveries, which include 8 fours and 3 sixes. He was at last caught by Akshay when he was attempting another hit. The Tigers' fielders were not active enough. They dropped even the easy catches quite often. The Lions scored 333 runs and impressed the spectators with their strokes. The Tigers in reply were dismissed for 220. Some of their players cut a sorry figure. Only Akshay and Sunny played brilliantly and delighted the people with their strokes. If you like the essay, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.